Welcome to Bali, Indonesia, and we happened to be there during the very beginning of COVID-19. And while we were there, as you can see, things were shut down. Everything was pretty empty. We checked into the Hotel INDIGO and Seminyak, Bali, and we happened to be one of 6 guests at that resort during COVID. That's the lobby and me being stupid right there. And we did have to wait a few minutes to get our room, so we sat around, and then once it was ready, we headed down this beautiful pathway to our 1-bedroom pool villa. Once inside those golden doors, you're inside the villa complex, and these doors actually will open into the bedroom. And the bedroom was very well appointed, had everything you could think of in there. And this is looking back towards the front door. Also, the bathroom had his and hers sinks. I couldn't capture them all. And it had an indoor-outdoor shower. Outside was the day bed where I spent many afternoons napping. And this is our gorgeous pool that had a jacuzzi at the end. And of course, a floating breakfast, because you have to do that when you're in Bali. We loved our stay here. This is the Hotel INDIGO Bali Seminyak.